Hello, today I will show you how to quickly and easily mix multiple audio files with Audacity. Audacity is a popular audio editing program and it's free. I really hope this tutorial is useful to you. There is no limit to how many audio files can be mixed. But the most popular way is usually to mix two audio files, and that's what I'll show you today. First, I will open the main audio file with the music. I have opened the main audio file that another audio file will be mixed with. The second audio file will be the vocals of the song. Now I will import a second audio file into Audacity, which contains the vocals of the song. As you can see, another audio file has opened below the main audio file. I will clone the second file and make two more copies to extend the second audio file. Now the process of mixing two audio files will take place, and I will then play you how it all sounds. In my case, I am mixing two audio files, where the main audio file contains the music, and the second file contains the vocals of the song. Let's listen to how it sounds. In YouTube settings you can see that my location is Italy. That was the proxy address location. In YouTube settings you can see that my location is Italy. That was the proxy address location. In YouTube settings you can see that my location is Italy. That was the proxy address location.